Let's learn English through short and fun food shopping conversations. With vocabulary and listening questions. Can we have cupcakes for birthday?
All right, darling. Let's get the birthday cake for your brother. I'm thinking a big cake with cream and fruit.
That sounds kinda old. How about mousse cake or cupcakes? They're cool now.
Old, this is a classic. Everyone loves it.
Yeah, but kids like fancy stuff now. Colorful cupcakes with more frosting are more fun.
Oh, kids these days. Let's get a big cake and some cupcakes too, okay?
Yay! Thanks, Grandma. I'll grab all the cupcakes.
And let me pick the cake. This one's perfect.
I got the cupcakes. Whoa, your cake is huge. So much cream.
Glad you like it. Darling, ready to go.
Sure, wait, something's missing.
What is it?
Candles. We need candles.
Oh no, I can't believe we forgot. Quick, let's get them.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Mousse cake. A light and creamy cake made with mousse, whipped cream, eggs, and chocolate. Cupcakes. Small cakes, usually topped with frosting, that are individual servings. Frosting. A sweet, creamy topping used on cakes and cupcakes. Your listening question is: what did the granddaughter want instead of the traditional cake? Answer: she wanted a mousse cake or some trendy cupcakes. A secret breakfast plan.
Baby, come look with me for breakfast this weekend. How about something light, maybe eggs and salad?
Eggs and salad. Ooh, that sounds so boring. How about burgers and fries instead?
Burgers and fries, really? We said we would eat healthy.
I know, but maybe something fun for breakfast. Salad every day feels a bit dull.
Baby, I want junk food too. But we're doing this for the kids. They need more healthy food than burgers and fries. We can't just eat whatever.
Yeah, you're right. I just think we've been a little too strict.
Sorry, I was so serious. You're right, I worry too much about our meals.
It's okay. You're doing great as a mom. I'll follow your plan, but can we have a fun breakfast this weekend, just us?
You mean a date?
A breakfast date. You pick everything, just us. No kids, no noise.
Oh, you're so sneaky, using food to get a date with me.
It's perfect. You get your salad. I get time with my lovely wife.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Salad. A dish of various mixtures of vegetables. Fries. Thin slices of potato that are fried until crispy. Sneaky. Secretive or tricky, especially to get something in a clever way. Your listening question is: what does the husband propose at the end of the conversation? Answer: he proposes having a romantic breakfast, just the two of them. Old couple's grocery trip.
Yeah, I missed this. Just you and me, no help, no noise.
All right. They're just gone for 2 days. So, what should we get for dinner?
I want plain rice porridge, light and easy. Oh look, they have different flavors.
Porridge again? You eat that every week. Shouldn't we eat something more fun?
Old stomach, old food. What fun food do you want?
Butter bread, crunchy outside, soft inside, and soft enough for my teeth.
Bread again? And butter? That's more like a snack. Is it even healthy?
So what? You always pick porridge. We make a funny team.
Not sure if that's a good thing. So, what now?
Wait, what's that on the shelf? Oh my goodness, look.
Don't tell me funky instant noodles? The original flavor?
Yes, do you remember the ones we ate in college?
Of course. Cheap, spicy, and perfect at midnight.
Want to get some? I miss it so much.
Yes, let's do it. A student dinner for us tonight.
Look at us, 65, and still eating noodles like teenagers.
Well, they say we're young at heart, right?
Let's look at the vocabulary. Porridge. A soft, warm food made by boiling rice or oats in water. Bread. A food made from flour and baked, often eaten in slices. Noodles. Thin strips of pasta, often cooked in soup or water. Your listening question is: what do the old couple decide to buy for dinner in the end? Answer: they decide to buy instant noodles. What are the best picnic snacks?
Dad, over here. We need snacks for the picnic, right?
Yeah, Mom said we can spend a little, so let's grab some. What do you want, buddy?
Cheese chips. They're the best. Please, please, please.
You always pick cheese. I'd say yes, but Mom told us not to overspend today. Why not seaweed chips? They're healthier.
Seaweed? No way. It tastes like the ocean. You just want it because you like it.
I do. That ocean taste is crunchy, salty, perfect.
Crunchy and weird. Cheese is the king of snacks.
Okay, why let's get both. You win one. I win one.
Deal. You're so easy today, Dad. Didn't Mom say not to spend too much on junk food?
She won't mind if we spend a little more. I hope now strawberry chocolate, so sweet and cute.
Pink? Real men eat mint chocolate.
Who taught you that? Real men eat whatever they like but mint. That's like toothpaste with chocolate.
It's fresh breath and dessert in one. All the boys in my class love mint chocolate. Try it.
Fine, but if I hate it, I need my strawberry ones, so we buy both. Again.
Dad, I think the snack bill is getting big.
I was just thinking that. We've spent half our money on snacks.
Mom's not gonna be happy. We should get her something nice.
You're right. Let's grab some ice cream too.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Cheese. A soft or hard food made from milk. Seaweed. A green salty plant from the sea, used in food. Mint. A plant with a fresh, cool taste, often used in candy or chocolate. Your listening question is: what do the father and son agree to buy for the picnic? Answer: they agree to buy both cheese and seaweed chips, and both strawberry and mint chocolate. They are also going to buy some ice cream for Mom. Let's have a romantic dinner.
My sweet baby, tonight I'm cooking real Italian pasta for you.
I love you so much. Let me help. What do we need?
Let's see: pasta, tomato sauce, cheese, olive oil, garlic. Maybe some basil. Wait, what is basil?
Who cares? We'll know when we see it. Let's find the rest first.
My darling is the best. You can count on me. Follow me. I know this place.
Okay, chef, lead the way.
Pasta in the bag, tomatoes in. Where's the olive oil? Not here. Maybe next aisle.
Let's go check. Come this way, baby.
Huff, huff, baby. I think we're going in circles.
Yeah, we've been walking for 30 minutes already.
I swear it was here before. They changed everything.
Or maybe you're just a little lost.
Okay, fine. Maybe a little. I've never bought olive oil before. And I still don't know what basil is.
It's okay. We don't need everything to make good pasta.
But I want it to be perfect for you.
If you cook it, I'll eat it all. Let's keep it simple. Pasta, sauce, and love. That's enough.
Even if the sauce is bad, you'll still eat it?
Of course, you're an amazing cook, baby.
You make my heart melt more than cheese ever could.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Pasta. A type of food made from wheat, like spaghetti or penne. Basil. A herb with a sweet and minty smell. Olive oil. Oil made from olives, often used in cooking. Your listening question is: what did the couple decide to do after struggling to find all the ingredients? Answer: They decide to just use pasta, sauce, and cook with love. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.